Hello, it's Muzaffar from Unique Drive Traffic School. Here we're gonna show you the third route in Suberg Test Center. When you take out, pay attention, orientate. When you take out, here, drive slowly towards the side road. When you approach the intersection, so then you find it out, so which duty is going to meet with. So then you have to turn to left. It's same like before. We have tried before to turn right and left. These were the other two routes, but the third route it is the same. When you come out here, so you pay attention. There was a bike, so we have to hold back by further traffic because we got absolute give duty. Here we stay to the right and we drive our speed as according to the speed limit and condition on the road. We drive always according to circumstances as per the speed limit on different roads. We have to look according to the speed limit where we are. If it is a built up area, so of course we drive as per the speed limit. We drive on built up routes. Here we have to pay attention to the bikes. It's the course of the road. Look behind, mirror soldier, and then we approach towards the intersection traffic light. Here we continue straight ahead. You will be informed in good time to turn right or left. If not, so then you have to continue straight ahead. Pay attention to the signal. If it changes to green, so then we have to continue. It's gonna change now and we continue straight ahead. It's construction signboards, road work. If there are workers, if there are people on the roads, pay attention and stay away from them. We drive again. Look after your speed limit. All the time we have to pay attention. How is our speed limit? How fast we may drive? How are the road conditions? How we take left. Here we take left. Traffic light left. Enter in the intersection, pay attention to oncoming traffic. We got oncoming vehicles. We stop for oncoming. Pay attention to bikes. And it is mirror lights. Oncoming traffic. It's free now. Look after the pedestrian and then continue. Look after the new speed limit on the road. It's built up area, so we know speed limit is 50. Here you got another signboard, so you have to drive according to the speed limit, which is 40. Signboard of 40, so we drive 40. Look after the pedestrian. If there is pedestrians on the road, so you have to give them way, you have to stop. Drive your speed limit, it was 40, and we continue with the same speed limit. The coming traffic light, we take right. Side road to the right, side road here to the right. Look after the pedestrian, look after the bikes, orientate, mirror shoulder, and turn right. Look after the new speed limit on new road. It is still 40. Continue. Here we approach in a roundabout. And second exit out. Second exit. Before you enter the roundabout, orientate, have a look behind you, and then second exit. After passing the first exit, indicate, have a look, orientate, look bikes behind you, look after the pedestrian if it is free, so continue. Have a look, we are taking out to the left side, orientate to the left. Speed limit is still 40. Orientation, look to the right back, and continue. Speed bumps, slow down. Here we take right. Here side road to the right. Orientation, mirror shoulder, sharp right turn to the right. We take out due to the parked vehicles in front you, orientate and continue. Still parked vehicles to the right side, so we don't come back until there are hurdles continually there. We turn to the right, pay attention, look after your duty. There are shark teeth on the road, so mirror shoulder, right back, and we continue. We come back, look back, and continue. Here you may not continue straight ahead, so driving for boots. So here it's only possible, it's only allowed to turn right, and we turn right, orientation to the right side, and continue. It's one way, and you continue to the left side. Speed bumps, slow down by accelerators, release the gas pedal, it goes down. Speed bumps. Here we take right. Here we take right. We got absolute give a duty, have a look, orientation, mirror shoulder, right back, and we continue. Another roundabout, we take third exit out. Third exit in roundabout. It's absolute give a duty, have a look before you enter, mirror shoulder, and then we turn around right after the second exit, so then indicate to the right of, Orientation, mirror shoulder, look bikes behind you, look pedestrian to the right side, and continue. Look after new speed limit on new roads, which is 40, and continue. Look after the signboard on the roads. In about 100 meters, it shows that you got absolute give-way duty. We take left. Here you got absolute give-way duty, and we take left. Pay attention both right and left, and you have to give way if in case there was a traffic. Have a look to the left behind and continue to the right side. Find out your position to the right side and continue on the right side. Pedestrians crossing, pay attention. If there are pedestrians on the road, so stop. Keep looking, signboards, speed limits, update yourself all the time. It's still 40, and we turn left, side road to the left. Pay attention to oncoming traffic. Slow down, have a look, orientate, and then turn left. Pedestrians crossing, pay attention. No one is there, so we continue. We take left. Next traffic light, we take left. End of 40 zone. When you turn, when you drive on new roads, so pay attention to new speed limit and signboards. Signal gonna change, so we drive and we turn left. Orientation, mirror shoulder to the left, and we turn left. Pay attention to pedestrian and stay in your lane and continue. Second traffic light to right. We turn right. Second traffic light right. So here you have to pay attention, orientate, it's lane change, and we have to come to the right. We don't need to indicate because we are taking second time right. So have a look, orientation, now indicate right after passing the side roads. Pay attention to the signal, which stop pipe signal you got here. It is arrow signal. It was red, we stopped, and it changed to green arrow, so then you have to drive. Still pay attention to the bikes behind you, mirror shoulder, even though they got red, but still pay attention to them. It is rule of merge here, sign of rule of merge. Have a look, mirror shoulder to the left side, and here we have to drive according to the speed limit on the roads. We continue. Find out the signboard, it is 50, and we drive 50. Drive 50. attention to signboards and keep going. Pay attention to signboards, new signboard, new speed limit, which is 60 right after the signboard. So it's very important, keep looking the signboards. It's still 60 until we get a new signboard. We take left, traffic light left. Pay attention to signboards. Pay attention to oncoming traffic, pedestrian, bikes. It's free, we turn left by orientation. Orientate and turn left. We drive 50 as per speed limit in the built-up area. Pedestrians crossing, pay attention. There is no one, so we continue. So pay attention to the signboards. We take left. We take left. Look after oncoming traffic, bikes and pedestrian. Orientation to the left side and we continue. We are taking out, so we have to orientate to the left behind. There are parked vehicles to right side, drive to the left side. Side traffic, they got absolute giveaway duty, don't worry about it. So continue and pay attention to the speed bump and slow down. It's again absolute giveaway duty for traffic from the right side. So continue. So look after the speed limits, it is 30 and we have to drive 30 and we take it out, orientation and come back. Orientation and we speed bumps, parked vehicles, we take out to the left, orientation, we come back, orientation, right back. Speed bump, slow down, just release the gas pedal. Here, look after the signboards. So, continue straight ahead. Pay attention on the marking on the roads. It's the rule of merge. Have a look. orientation, mirror my shoulder to left side. Pay attention to the marking on the roads. There is no any marking, so you got right hand give way duty. So look if there is a traffic, so you have to give way and not drive more than 10 km per hour. So you can stop in case there was a traffic, so not more than 10. Look back behind to the left and look right when you come back again. Speed bumps, pay attention, be careful and not drive more than as per condition on the road circumstances. And here pay attention, you can see here we got right hand give way duty, not more than 10. There was no traffic on the roads, so we can see the end of 30. So new signboard, the speed limit is 40 now. Pay attention all the time, the on signboards, marking on the roads, your duties. Follow the course of the roads. Maintain your speeds. Here we take left. We take left and we got red signal. So we have to stop. Be careful about your clutch point here. It's a bit hilltop. Have a look, pay attention to oncoming bikes, vehicles, and orientation to the left side, and come and find new signboard. It is 60 and drive your speed 60. We are on motorway, so very soon you can see the sign of motorway. It is 70, but we take exit. We don't drive on motorway. We take the exit towards Qingbia High-Glad Saxe. Exit number 1, orientate and come to the right. We turn right. We take right. Look after the signboards. There is a built-up signboard, so the speed limit is 50 here. Look after the signboard again. Absolute give way duty. There are cyclists on both sides from right and left according to the signboards. Pay attention to the cyclists. Absolute give way duty. And now we continue to the right side. Drive your speed limit, which is 50, until you find a new signboard. Built up area and speed limit is 50. We come back to we stay in our own lane because there is a bus track to the right side and we may not drive in bus lane. It's only one track for us. The right side there is a bus track. We continue and drive 50. Look after the signboards. Rule of merge signboards, speed limits, continue. There is a rule of merge. Pay attention and have a look. Mirror my shoulder to the right side. There is a traffic light in about 400 meters. Be careful about the traffic lights. We take right. Traffic light right. Find out the new signboard, new speed limit. It is 50. We indicate to the right. Stay to the right. Pay attention, look right behind, mirror shoulder, look after the pedestrians, it's free behind, continue, it's rule of merge, have a look to the left side, orientation, and come back. Find out the speed limit, it's a built up area and the speed is 50. We turn right. We turn right. Right after the pedestrian crossing, head to the right, orientation, right behind, look after the bikes, look after pedestrian and drive on new road. Look after the speed limit, it is 40, max 40 zone and drive your speed limit. Stay away from the parked vehicles, keep a distance. Right after the parked vehicles, come back to the right by orientation, mirror shoulder, and we are back on the right side. Speed bumps, slow down. Keep adequate distance from the parked vehicles, and then we come back, orientation, and on right side. Speed bump, slow down, slow down. There is a roundabout, and we take third way out, third exit in roundabout. Before you enter, you have to look orientation, mirror shoulder right behind, drive in first gear. It is a narrow, it is small roundabouts, drive in first gear. Right after the second exit, indicate up to the right, look behind, orientation, look after the bikes, pedestrians, and then continue. New road, new speed limit, new sign of 40, sign speed limit 40. We turn left. Here we take left. Traffic light to left. We turn left. Here we turn left and pay attention, look after oncoming traffic, vehicles and pedestrians. And look behind and then continue. Orientation and then continue. Orientation and continue. Here new speed limit 40. Pay attention. There is a hurdle on our right side, so take it out, orientation to the left, and when you come back, orientation to the right. We take left, traffic lights, left, orientation, we are changing lane, orientation to the left. It changed to green lights. We turn left. Pay attention to oncoming pedestrian. Look left back and continue. Look after the speed limit and continue. Look after pedestrians crossing. In case there are pedestrians on the road, so stop for them. No one there, we continue. Look after your speed limit, which is 50, and we continue. School signboard, pay attention and drive 30. Here, rule of merge in about 125 meters. So later on, rule of merge, be careful about it and orientate. Stop for the red light. And very soon, rule of merge, have a look, mirror shoulder to the left side and continue. Drive your speeds and continue. Pay attention to buses. If the buses are blinking out in built-up areas, it's possible for you to give them way and stay behind for the buses. But we are almost crossed, so we could continue, and therefore we are driving. Pay attention to the traffic light. It is green and we continue. Look after the signal. Traffic lights continually green, so we continue. Keep looking the signals, traffic lights, still green, keep going. Continue straight ahead. As far as long your intention is keep going straight ahead, just find out the proper position on the road and now stay to the right. Speed limit is 40. Pay attention to the oncoming traffic and look after and follow the course of the roads. Stay to the right. There is oncoming traffic. Slow down due to the speed bumps. Switch to the gear, down to the gear, second gear probably if you are going to slow down. Otherwise, continue right after the speed bumps. We turn right. Here we turn right. Pay attention to the bikes behind you, pedestrians to the right side, orientation, and then stay right and continue. Here we come back at test center again, Super Test Center. It was the third route which you people followed us today. And here we park in the parking lot, look behind and turn in the parking lot and ready to stop there and brake now. And when you are in the parking lot, so turn to the left, so straighten the tires, and now handbrake up, neutral gear, and turn the engine off. Here you can see we are from Unique Drive Traffic School, and here you can find our website, telephone number. If you have any question regarding the routes, regarding any kind of packages, we offer all different type of courses. We have semi-intensive courses, we offer intensive courses, exchange of driving license. If you have driven before, if you are a new learner, all type of courses we offer. We have experienced instructors at our school. Don't hesitate. If there is any query, any questions, to contact us. We will get you back right after. You can contact us. You can send a text message. You can send us email. It was the third Suburg practical test center route which we drive right now. Here you can see the exam being started and finished here at this place. We're gonna continue with the different type of maneuver on the road. We're gonna make videos regarding parking maneuver, parallel parking, 3-point turn, reverse around the corner. We're gonna have short videos regarding other maneuver on the roads, route regulations, absolute duties, right-hand duties on the road, different maneuvers. So it may help you to become a good driver. It's not only to pass the test. The target is, the point is, right after learning all this, you can become a good driver. You can protect yourself, and you can drive safely and securely with your family members, and then you are a good driver right after having a driving license. So we wish you all the best. If there is any queries, don't hesitate to contact us. So